In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A73 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down and choose security and privacy over here. Following that, you need to scroll down again, tap on biometrics and select face recognition. Now enter your current login method, read the disclaimer, and when you're ready, choose continue. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Now you can manage all of those face unlock settings however you wish to, and even click on Add Alternative Appearance to enhance recognition. Then add your face data again. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. If you wish to delete your face data, you can do that by tapping on face recognition in biometrics again. Now enter your screen lock, tap on remove face data at the top and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!